When I bought my first home, I was very excited, of course, but also a bit overwhelmed thinking I needed to know everything about home repair. The truth is, you don't need to know everything, but there are a few tricks you need to know, including how to repair a ripped window screen. First, you want to be able to keep the bugs out of your house, but also it's hard to get a professional to come out just to fix one screen. Now, if the frame itself is damaged, you can go to a home center and buy this aluminum screen frame and these snap-in corners, which just pop in, and then you can attach that one's kind of tight. Let me try this end. Here you go. Pops right in, right? So you get 4 corners and 4 pieces of frame. You can make your own window screen. But here we're going to show how to replace the ripped screen, starting in the corner. Just pop out the spline. Once you've pulled out the spline, remove the old screen. The new screen comes on a roll, so you'll have to cut a piece slightly larger than the frame. To attach the screen, you'll need a spline roller. This tool has a wheel on either end, one convex and one concave. The convex one pushes the screen into the groove in the screen frame, and the concave wheel forces the rubber spline into the groove to hold the screen. Attach the 2 opposite ends first to keep the screen snug and to avoid any wrinkles. When the remaining edges are secured, you can trim the excess with a utility knife, and the window screen is as good as new.